Today I will explain about the list and tuple. What are the list and tuple? You see my mouse pointer. Now we will see the tuple. Tuple is immutable. Elements cannot be changed after creation. If we will create one tuple object and add data into the tuple object, after that we cannot change that values in tuple. So memory usage of tuple is consumes less memory and performance wise faster iteration compared to list, but lacks the flexibility of list. So that means performance is faster, but there is a lacks, there is a some features are not available in tuple compared to list. That is the meaning. Methods, limited built-in methods in tuples. So these are the main points for tuple. Tuple is immutable and memory consumption is less, performance is faster, methods are limited. So you see the below example, a tuple is the one variable I created. After the adding the 3 items data into the tuple. After that, if we will use this print tuple, the output will be here like this. This is about the tuple. Then if we will go to that next list, you see the list. List and tuples are fundamental Python data structures with distinct characters and uses. So both are different behavior. List behavior is different and tuple behavior is different. That's why with distinct characteristics and use cases. Use cases also different. List case different, tuple case is different. You see about list. List is mutable. Elements can be changed after creation. If we insert any elements or list of the elements into the list, after inserting, then we are able to modify, we are able to do again appending or deleting or modifying the item in the list. That is the meaning of mutable. And memory usage of list item consumes more memory. Performance wise, list slower iteration compared to tuples because but better for insertion deletion operations in list. So in list there is a operations, insertion or deletion, appending, these are operations is available in list. And methods, list offers various built-in methods for manipulation. So to do the manipulation means appending the item in the list, deleting the item in the list, edit the item value in the list. These are all, and still there are other built-in methods are available in list. So even we can see here example, one variable is created a list and inserted 3 items data into the list. Again 4th item as appended as a session. If you see the that list item object, there we can see 4 items. Like that we can do items in list. These are the main difference between list and tuple. Thank you.